A proposed property tax in San Jose could raise millions for low-income housing. Opponents say the plan isn't all that it seems. Good evening. I'm Alan Martin.
And I'm Veronica Dela Cruz. Let's get you right to KPIX 5's Kiet Do with what this new Measure E could mean for San Jose residents.
The city wants to impose a so-called property transfer tax that will raise millions of dollars for low-income housing. But opponents say, not so fast. There's a catch.
Welcome to 2nd Street Studios, San Jose's first ever permanent supportive housing for people who were formerly homeless.
Come on in.
After being homeless for a year, Raymond Ramsey and his wife got in a few months ago.
Would you go as far to say that 2nd Street Studios saved your life?
Yes, I would. Because literally, we were on the street.
Which brings us to Measure E, which will, quote, fund general City of San Jose services, including affordable housing for seniors, veterans, disabled, and low-income families. Measure E is a proposed real estate transfer tax that will impose a 0.75% on transactions valued at $2 to $5 million, 1% at $5 to $10 million, and 1.5% for deals $10 million or higher. If it passes, it's estimated to raise anywhere from $22 to $70 million a year.
And you cannot solve the affordable housing crisis without government money, subsidies. You can't do it.
Santa Clara tax assessor Larry Stone says the vast majority of residential home sales would not be taxed, and that Measure E is meant to go after the mega deals.
We really have to deal with our housing crisis, or it will have a serious negative impact upon the economic engine of this country, which is high tech.
San Jose Council member Johnny Camus says the key word in the measure is including, which means the measure raised would go into the general fund and cannot be earmarked for affordable housing.
They promised to spend it on low-income housing. You buy that?
Well, maybe these elected officials in the next couple of years, but the mayor is going to be out of office 2 years from now, and this money can be spent by any council any way they like because it's a general fund tax.
As for Raymond, he's conflicted about the tax money going into the general fund, but has an idea to make sure city leaders keep their promise.
Go ahead and get Measure E passed. Like I said, I'm in favor of Measure E generally. And then hopefully there will be an oversight committee as well that will see that the money does go towards affordable housing.
In San Jose, Kiet Do, KPIX 5.